Hey everybody, you are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host, as always, it's Paul Motley here, and wow, what a week. It's Friday already, getting there for the weekend. I hope you're enjoying your day so far and have absolutely crushed it as well this week. So it's been a crazy week, to be fair. I mean, we've had some amazing guests on. We've had Brian Delaney, we've had John Vong, we've had Ryan Stanley, we've even had Scott Moran, one of the co-creators of Samcart as well. So it's been a fun-packed week right here on the podcast. So if it's your first time listening, then go back and listen to the other episodes. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future ones. And of course, as always, and I do really say this a lot, and I'm sorry if it's repetitive and boring for you, but go and check the show notes. Go and get yourself into the affiliate toolbox there. There's a link right at the bottom and you're going to get a bunch of free stuff from me, and it's all the good stuff that I use to build one business. So literally go ahead and get that. You'll see some amazing bonus footage from people that have been on the podcast a while back now, but really dropping some proper value that is not available to the public anywhere else. So what today? Today, man, I don't know what it is, but sometimes you can become a little bit cynical, and, you know, I applaud people's success. I really do. And nothing warms my heart more than when there's people out there doing well and everything's going great and stuff like that. But I came across something today and it really griped me kind of the wrong way. And I didn't mention anything directly. I've shown a couple of my buddies, and each of them were like, wow, that's crazy, right? And it's something now, and I came across a post which was talking about, it was basically some income screenshots, yeah? And I thought, oh, that's interesting, you know, that looks pretty good. So naturally, as we do, we tend to have a look at the person's Facebook profile, which is another reason why you should have your Facebook profile set up correctly to send traffic to your offers and your pages and your opt-ins and everything else like that. So if you're not doing that now, go and do it, right? And you can go and you can actually get a blueprint from me personally. Just go to highticketleadmachine.com and you can go and get a blueprint which will actually show you how to do this. But that's not the point at all. Totally not. Completely optional. But what I saw was in their own news feed, or in their timeline, if you like, was a couple of there was a screenshot and then there was a little video. Obviously, this person had been using TikTok and stuff like that. And let's just say that the screenshots didn't match. So there was a particular day during that week which showed one thing on one screenshot and another thing on another one. And immediately the red lights started, you know, the sirens go off in the back of your head, red flag alert and all that good stuff. And I just thought, oh man, why? Why do people do it? Why do people fake stuff like that? And most common is because they're trying to show other people that they're doing really well in order to try and magnetically get people to buy other stuff from them. And it turns out that was, in fact, the case. There was something for sale by this particular person. I don't believe it was something that they'd actually put together themselves. So it could have been an affiliate product or whatever it was. And I just thought that's really unethical. So that's just me, okay? Right now, everyone makes their own choices online. And to be fair, when you do start showing your success online, you should always come from a position of inspiration for others, not bragging, saying, hey, look how much I did, aren't I amazing? But rather than, this is what is and what can be achieved if you follow the program, if you do the steps, if you go through the motions, if you get yourself, you know, ahead in the game. This is the type of rewards that you can expect, okay? Because this is something that I've done. This is something that someone else has done, and give examples, case studies, whatever it is. So there's a right and wrong way of doing it. And it just kind of like I said, it was a bit of a gripe today. It's been an amazing week, still pushing forward with my own stuff. And, and like I said to you, it is great. And I celebrate everybody's success when I see it online and or in the groups that I'm in and things like that. There's no better feeling than getting that validation for something that you think, okay, yeah, it's not just me, someone else has done it, and this person's got amazing results, this person's getting sales on this or that or the other. It's just, it's when things are done the wrong way, that's when, you can look at it and you can be a bit cynical, and it's not great. And for most people, it's sad because they'll get sucked into it as well. They won't see, or they won't perhaps have a keen eye on it because they are at an emotional point of their buying cycle, and they're getting to a desperate point probably in their lives. And there's people out there which will exploit that. And I think it's shocking. And like I said, I'm not pointing any fingers. I'm not saying who it is or where I saw it or anything like that. It just happened to come across my table today. And it was, after a little digging, I just thought, nope. Oh dear, it sounds awful, doesn't it? But anyway, I just wanted to let you know, guys, that I do appreciate you listening every day because, like I said, these are daily podcasts. So it's cool. I've got a bit of traveling to do this weekend. So whether or not, well, obviously, yes, of course, I'm going to be here again tomorrow, and I'm going to find something really juicy for you to listen to as well. I'm going to have a little dig in a couple of things because I want to make sure that I am still providing as much value to you guys as possible so that you're getting the most out of your time listening to me, because that's ultimately my goal. I want you to have a great experience. I want you to be able to take something from it, and hopefully, maybe there's bits and bobs of information which you're going to pick up and it's going to help you along the way. So that's my goal. That's my total goal. And I want you to benefit from being a listener. So I appreciate you guys, and I will catch up with you tomorrow.